Hello and welcome to this video. I want to show you how to use Notion AI, how to implement it in your workflows, how to avoid repeating the same prompts and writing them over and over again, and actually how Notion AI is super powerful and how you can use it to many of your repetitive tasks that you do on a daily or weekly basis. So what I'm going to show you is how the workflow that I have automated. So I also use make on the background. So from which prospect would book a discovery call with me. So this is Calcom. And what happens after this prospect books a discovery call. So I'm going to start by booking a call, and you see that I have a form here with different questions. These are in Spanish, but yeah, what type of product, what's your company size, what's your project budget, and let's say I have so what issue would I like to fix? It's communication issues within the team. It's hard to keep everyone aligned on the priorities. When would you say the project is a success? So I'm going to say if the team motivation increases by a 5% and we are able to achieve 80% of our quarterly goals. And I'm just going to confirm, and you will see what happens once I confirm. So you see that on my Notion CRM page, this is just a demo, I got automatically a new contact, and it's either one of these two, I believe it's this one. So yeah, you see that here I have now all of the information from the form, so it's automatically going into my Notion. So I can apply the contact template and I would see here the different information on this contact. But one of them is this AI property that will auto-populate. So what you have to do is just generated the prompt once. So you complete all of the information for the prompt. This is the prompt. And every time you get this someone to book a call with you, you just click on update. And what this prompt does is categorizing this lead based on the different information they provided on high quality, medium quality, or low quality leads. So you would tell them exactly how to consider the different answers to categorize, and it will automatically categorize it for you. So this is one way of using Notion AI integrated in the workflow. You have specific properties in your databases and they will be auto-populated with Notion AI. You don't have to rewrite the prompt, you write it once and reuse it forever. And the other way, you see that I have a new call on my meetings calendar in Notion with this specific contact. If I apply the discovery call template, I get the contact information. This is coming from the contact database, again, with everything they completed on the form. But I also have, again, a prompt that I can reuse every time I have a discovery call. And I just need to click on the generate button. And in this case, I'm asking Notion AI to generate a sales script for me, but it's personalized for this specific client. So for everything they stated that they wanted to solve in the form. So you see that it gives me, in this case, a sales call script with the different information, different points that could be valuable to go through. So greeting them, understanding their client needs, why, how they are managing priorities in this case, what is the current team motivation level, and what is the desired outcome. I'm presenting possible solutions, and you see you get different points to talk about, addressing any concerns, any objections they may have, and then closing the call. So this would be the sales call script, and you see that you can reuse the prompt every time you have a new sales call scheduled. It will be personalized for that specific sales calls because it has access and it can access the information from the contact database and the form that they submitted. So yeah, this is the use case that I wanted to show you. But if you start thinking about how to best use it for your current workflows, so I've implemented this into some clients that wrote a lot of content. So we would have a content database and we would have different templates in the database, maybe one for newsletter. And for the newsletter, we would have the subject, the hook, the body, and different sections with predefined prompts that we would reuse every time they wanted to write a newsletter. But then if it was a Twitter post, then we will have a different database template for Twitter with the specific prompt, and so on. So yeah, I encourage you to go and explore Notion AI and see how you can best use it for your workflows. And if you have any questions or anything you'd like to comment, just let me know.